Welcome to my YouTube channel. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, is the capability of a computer to imitate intelligent human behavior. Through AI, machines can analyze images, comprehend speech, interact in natural ways, and make predictions using data. We have different AI concepts that includes 1. Algorithm. An algorithm is a sequence of calculations and rules used to solve a problem or analyze a set of data. It is like a flowchart, with step-by-step instructions for questions to ask, but written in math and programming code. An algorithm may describe how to determine whether a pet is a cat, dog, fish, bird, or lizard. Another far more complicated algorithm may describe how to identify a written or spoken language, analyze its words, translate them into a different language, and then check the translation for accuracy. 2. Machine learning. Machine learning, ML, is an AI technique that uses mathematical algorithms to create predictive models. An algorithm is used to parse data fields and to learn from that data by using patterns found within it to generate models. Those models are then used to make informed predictions or decisions about new data. The predictive models are validated against known data, measured by performance metrics selected for specific business scenarios, and then adjusted as needed. This process of learning and validation is called training. Through periodic retraining, ML models are improved over time. 3. Deep learning. Deep learning is a type of ML that can determine for itself whether its predictions are accurate. It also uses algorithms to analyze data, but it does so on a larger scale than ML. Deep learning uses artificial neural networks, which consist of multiple layers of algorithms. Each layer looks at the incoming data, performs its own specialized analysis, and produces an output that other layers can understand. This output is then passed to the next layer, where a different algorithm does its own analysis, and so on. With many layers in each neural network and sometimes using multiple neural networks, a machine can learn through its own data processing. This requires much more data and much more computing power than ML. 4. Bots. A bot is an automated software program designed to perform a particular task. Think of it as a robot without a body. Early bots were comparatively simple, handling repetitive and voluminous tasks with relatively straightforward algorithmic logic. An example would be web crawlers used by search engines to automatically explore and catalog web content. Bots have become much more sophisticated, using AI and other technologies to mimic human activity and decision-making, often while interacting directly with humans through text or even speech. Examples include bots that can take a dinner reservation, chatbots, or conversational AI that help with customer service interactions, and social bots that post breaking news or scientific data to social media sites. Microsoft offers the Azure Bot Service, a managed service purpose-built for enterprise-grade bot development. Moving on to high-level architectural types in AI. We have pre-built AI. Pre-built is exactly what it sounds like: off-the-shelf AI models, services, and APIs that are ready to use. These help you add intelligence to apps, websites, and flows without having to gather data and then build, train, and publish your own models. One example of pre-built AI might be a pre-trained model that can be incorporated as is or used to provide a baseline for further custom training. Another example would be a cloud-based API service that can be called at will to process natural language in a desired fashion. Custom AI. Although pre-built AI is useful, and increasingly flexible, the best way to get what you need from AI is probably to build a system yourself. This is what is called custom AI. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.